Hello friends, how are you? Hello. Today we will, we will learn about the English. What is the importance of English in our life? Nowadays, English is very important in our professional life. As per William Shakespeare, he used to say that knowledge is the wing by which we can fly in the event. And nowadays, I am saying that English is the subject by which we can fly in the world. We can go ahead in our life. Without English, even then, we have lot of knowledge, but we can't go ahead. So, our professional language is English. Considering it, we have to speak it as soon as possible. There may be some difficulties for speaking it at inertial stage, but if you want to really to speak it, then there is no difficulty for speaking it. You can speak it. At inertial stage, you will have to suffer some difficulties. There may be some fault of pronunciation, some fault of vocabulary, and other aspect. But you, if you want to speak it, then you can speak it without thinking it, whether it is being spoken by rightly or wrong. At inertial stage, from beginning in stage, without thinking it, if you will try to speak, then you can speak. If you will think more discrepancies about it, then you can't speak it in your life. Any language, not only English, but any other language. If you will try, then you can speak. If you will not try, then you can't. So, I am saying about that whether your English is weak or strong, without thinking it, you try to speak. We see the child who born and after 2 3 years he started to speak their mother tongue within 3 years. So why we cannot speak it? There is some problems. Actually, when we try to speak it, we guess only fault of our English. What is being spoken? If you want to speak, if you want to improve it, which language is being spoken, you should try to understand entire sentence, not only one word. If you will try to understand entire sentence, then there would be no difficulty to understand it. If you will listen only one word, then you can't understand it. It is difficulties. So it's my suggestion, without thinking, from inertial stage, whether it is being spoken rightly or wrong, without thinking, you try to speak it. If you will try, then you can speak. If you will not try, then you can't. Okay? Bye. Thanks.